2025 smartphone race is heating up, and Chinese leakster just dropped a massive bombshell. The Oppo's next Ultra flagship, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra, might just redefine what a camera phone can be. The latest leak comes straight from the well-known tipster digital chat station, who revealed some juicy new details on Weibo. According to him, the Oppo Find X9 Ultra will be the only model in the Find X9 lineup to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm's next-generation flagship chip that's expected to set new records in performance and efficiency. That means the standard Find X9 and Find X9 Pro won't even come close in raw power. Oppo is making sure the Ultra feels truly Ultra this time. Now let's talk about what everyone really cares about, with the cameras. The Find X9 Ultra is rumored to feature a dual periscope telephoto camera setup, something extremely rare in smartphones today. Imagine being able to zoom both far and near without losing detail, sharpness, or color depth. That's the level of versatility Oppo seems to be aiming for. But the real showstopper here is the 200-megapixel Sony IMX09E sensor, also known as the LYT990. This massive sensor is part of Sony's new LYT-IA lineup, designed for extreme light capture and next-gen computational photography. In other words, this thing is built to dominate low-light photography, produce insane HDR, and deliver natural bokeh straight out of the sensor, not filters. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Oppo's biggest rivals are all going after the same top-tier sensor. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra, Vivo X300 Ultra, and Honor Magic 8 Ultra are all reportedly using the same IMX09E. But Oppo's unique combination of dual telephoto lenses and advanced Hasselblad color tuning could make it the most balanced camera setup of them all. If that's true, we might finally be looking at the phone that dethrones Xiaomi in mobile photography. Another major change, Oppo's design strategy. This year, the Find X9 Ultra will look and feel completely different from the other X9 models. Unlike last year's Find X8 lineup, where the Pro and Ultra looked almost identical, Oppo is now separating its flagship into its own premium identity. Expect a more futuristic camera island, ultra-curved edges, and possibly a ceramic or vegan leather back finish, something that screams luxury flagship. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the Find X9 Ultra should deliver top-tier performance, think console-level gaming, ultra-fast AI image processing, and improved thermals. It's rumored to feature LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, and a battery that supports up to 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. That's flagship speed in every sense of the word. So, to recap, Oppo's next big flagship could be the most ambitious camera phone of 2025. Dual telephoto lenses, a massive 200MP Sony sensor, exclusive Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, and a design that finally sets it apart from the rest. If Oppo can deliver on these leaks, the Find X9 Ultra might just lead the entire flagship pack this year. So what do you think? Can Oppo take the camera crown from Xiaomi and Vivo? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming flagship leaks and breakdowns.